Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can see memory in iPhone or how you can see the storage in iPhone. So let's go to the settings first. Okay, after going to setting, scroll down and you will find general option. Click on this general, then scroll down and you will find iPhone storage. This one, click on this and you can see here your iPhone storage or the memory, and you also can see here how many memory or storage you have been used already. So here are the details of your application used for your memory. Okay guys, so this is how you can check the memory or the storage in iPhone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.